Hi all, welcome back to Rabbit Academy. In today's video, we are diving into the pass statement in Python. What is it? How to use it? Pass versus return, pass versus none. What type is pass in Python? Let's get started. At very first time, we are going to look at what's the pass statement. The pass statement in Python is essentially a placeholder. It does nothing when executed but keeps your code synthetically correct. It's great for the situations where you are drafting a structure but haven't implemented functionality yet. That means no content but have condition, class or loop. Look at here. Now I am going to call it. See, no errors even though the function has no content. As I said earlier, you can use this in classes, loops or conditional statements too. See these examples. In this loop, parse ensures that nothing happens when I equals to 2. This if may be future requirement. Here, no 2 in the output. 0, 1, skip to 3, then 4. That means parse ensures that nothing happens when it equals to 2. This if may be future requirement. Now I am going to explain you what's the difference between pass and return. Look at this one. Does nothing. Exit the function. See, here return exit the function immediately. The text by not printed here. See this example. As you see earlier one, pass is just a placeholder, while return sends data back and ends the function. See the output. Here I have put 3. 3 is not less than 0. So go to this pass statement and print this statement. This line is still executed. So I think now you understood pass is just a placeholder, while return sends data back and ends the function. Let's check return also. I put -3 here. That -3 is less than 0. Here output is negative number. That means return sends data back and ends the function. This text is not printed here from here itself. Now another question. What's the difference between pass and none? I think my video is helpful. Give me a like and subscribe to Rabbit Academy. Okay, what's the difference between pass and none? None represents the absence of a value or a null value in Python. Now let's check the data type. Now you can see it has its own type. Means none is a special data type in Python. I think you can understand from this example. Now look at the pass. Pass is not a data type. It does absolutely nothing and continues execution to the next line. So the text good example is not printed as the output here. Look at this one. You can assign none to variables. But pass cannot be assigned. It's a statement. You can't check its type even because it doesn't return or hold a value. Here is what happens if you try. Get a syntax error because pass is a statement, not an object. Found this video helpful? Give me a like, subscribe to Rabbit Academy and hit the bell icon for more coding tips and tricks. Have a question? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!